I have experience learning two languages, namely English and Arabic. The comparison is very different, as in the direction of writing. In English, is written from left and right and using the Latin letters, and Arabic is written from right to left and using Arabic letters. In English, is simpler for global communication, and Arabic is richer for meaning.
I like every detail in process learning, but the most I like is whenever our teacher makes sure us the students understand about the material of learning by the question and answer directly, and also about the speaking directly. It made my brain reacted quickly but have to accurately. And I also feel that whenever there's a presentation part, it really challenged myself because I have to explain something by English in front of my friends. And on the night before presentation, I really prepared myself by practicing my accent and building up my courage. And the things I don't like is my lack of self-confidence. I feel unconfident and embarrassed in every speaking class. As the perfectionist, I feel really uncomfortable whenever I get things that are less than perfect, even though I know that being imperfect is a part of process. I might be worried about someone's judge because my accent is not really good and my voice is kinda weird. But I always remember what my teacher said, that the main point of learning is not about the being perfect, but it's about the confidence.
About learning English is how it gives me confidence to speak in public and opens many opportunities for my future, such as studying abroad or getting a better job. And the most interesting part of learning English is that I can enjoy watching movies and listening to songs without subtitles. It helps me to learn naturally while doing something I love.
English has been a subject that I've loved since I was in elementary school. I have known some of vocabularies, phrases, and grammars. I grasped the grammar more quickly than speaking, and I hated myself for my lack for speaking English. With English class programs makes me very grateful. It has been a lot of fun the while time. I have been starting to dare to speak in English little by little, and now I am confident talking to others. Thank you very much for Miss Richa and Miss Anna who have supported us. Even I still stutters. I will keep trying, and I believe I can, inshallah.
Why do you have to be able to speak English? Because English is spoken in many countries. By being able to speak English, you can communicate with people different parts of the world. You can study whatever, you can work wherever, or just be a friend.
For me, learning English is fun, but also challenging. I enjoy the class because my teacher always explains the lesson clearly, and my friends are very active and supportive. The activities in class make me more confident to speak and understand English. However, I also face some difficulties. The hardest part for me is grammar, especially tenses. Sometimes I get confused about when to use past tense, when to use future tense, or when to use present tense. I often make me mistake writing or speaking.
I have been really happy and delighted because I have many friends who are humorous and fun to be around. And let's not forget our teacher, Miss Rika and Miss Anna, who teach us in an enjoyable and exciting way. So, we are not just learning, but we are also strengthening our bond with each other and with our teachers.
My challenge is pronunciation, especially words that sound similar but have different meanings, and remember new vocabulary is quite difficult because I forget easily.
Today I like to share my motivation to learn English. For me, English is not just a school subject. It's a key that opens many doors. Through English, I can understand more knowledge from books, videos, and people around the world. I also want to improve myself so I can communicate confidently and maybe one day teach or share something useful in English. Sometimes it's difficult, but I believe that practice makes progress. So I keep learning with hope, passion, and prayer.
My challenge in learning English is understanding grammar rules and using them correctly in speaking and writing. Sometimes I also find it difficult to remember new vocabulary and pronounce words properly. However, I keep practicing every day to improve my skills. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.